Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking what Safaricom is currently doing with your bundles and airtime. Open My Safaricom or dial *544# to view active bundles, expiry dates, and whether auto-renew is enabled. Once done, verify your airtime balance and spot if data is set to draw from airtime when bundles end. Make sure to record the bundle name and expiry. This lets you target the exact setting to change. Don't skip this step, because accurate details prevent accidental charges. Now you disable the features that allow Safaricom to use airtime when bundles finish. In My Safaricom, go to Profile, Settings, then Auto-Renew or Auto-Buy and switch them off. Confirm the change. Alternatively, dial *544# and navigate Manage to turn off Auto-Buy. Follow prompts until you get a confirmation message. Also check any M-Pesa, third-party apps, or subscription services linked to your number, because they can trigger purchases. Once done, monitor SMS confirmations to ensure the setting stuck. Finish by validating the change and preparing to troubleshoot if needed. Restart your phone and observe for 24 hours to confirm no airtime is used after bundle expiry. If airtime is still deducted, contact Safaricom support, call 100, use the My Safaricom chat, or visit a physical shop and request escalation. Make sure you have SMS confirmations and timestamps of the settings you changed. This evidence speeds resolution. If the agent re-enables something, ask for a reference number and insist on a rollback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.